Wow, what a breakthrough for this client. It's an IT, telecom, and security company. Been around for a long time. But boy, oh boy, he realized one major challenge he's facing. His meetings suck. That's right. He feels like he has a meningitis, which means all they seem to be doing is talking about. What he needs to have is get shit done workshops. That's right. I've said it. That's what I title my process. If you don't understand that, or if you've not had a chance to tap into it, please comment below. Let me DM you a link. It's a 10-minute, maybe 11 minutes at most, video on how to facilitate. It goes through ABC 1, 2, 3, how to get shit done. Workshops, not, oh my God, I can't believe I'm having a monologue meeting. That's another aspect of his problems he had in his meetings, was there's too much of him telling people what to do. Versus I told him he needs to stop trying to add more value by talking. He needs to shut up and let them share what they should be doing. Strategic insights, profound strategic innovation found from new voices. That's one of the 5 forms of strategic innovation. Let his staff members speak, because if it's their idea, they'd have to be a hypocrite not to implement it. And then 2, his cadence. He needs to have a cadence for momentum, but his meetings were dragging and exhausting people. He needs to have some stand-ups. Maybe you could have some stand-ups. If you've not met with your direct report lately, you probably could use a stand-up. Maybe your direct reports have not met with their direct reports. Chances are they're doing what you do, and if you don't, they aren't either. So they can go, you know what a stand-up is. If it's more than 10 minutes, it's a meeting. It's not a stand-up. Stand-ups are designed to make sure everyone stays in momentum. Hey, you know what you're focused on today? Got any particular obstacles I can help you with? Okay, great, break, boom, and let's go to the play. It's simple. Business can be simple. We let drama complicate it. It's time to get clear about having strong strategies to build momentum in your company. Comment or give me a DM. I'll send you a link, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.